The fire did not work last night. Sleeping in a real bed was wonderful. The fire didn't start, so the cabin is cold, but we started one this morning. You stay here and you need to light a fire.
Get logs.
Buy
all the logs.
We made it to the brink of the falls.
We didn't.
More importantly, we made it back.
We didn't. I'm not the same person. Our heart rate was like 160 almost, and I'm pretty sure it was about to explode. So it was only 3/8 of a mile. 3/8. That's it. But it was 600 feet vertical. It was terrible.
It was beautiful. Day 3 of our trip was all about the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. We checked out Grand Canyon, we took lots and lots and lots and lots of pictures, set up camp, relaxed, checked out Hayden Valley, and we saw a grizzly bear.
So we've got our campsite decently set up. We just need to put the rain fly on our tent. However, it is soaking wet from 2 nights ago because we definitely forgot to put it out last night to dry. But now we shall enjoy the relaxation of hammock camping. We just need to get a fire going, but we still have a lot to do today. A lot of places to go, people to see, things to meet. Things to meet. Bears to see. We want to see some bears, some buffaloes, some wolves. Okay, sorry, that was probably an awkward shot.
totally thought that was a giant fish. We are stopped.
That is a grizzly bear.
There's a grizzly bear. Look at all the people. There's a grizzly bear.
I'm way too shaky. Look, you can see it in the thing. Reflected. We're seeing a grizzly bear.
There's a grizzly bear. You can't see it super well because it's blurry, but there is a grizzly bear, and we do not have bear spray. How terrifying. And that was pretty much the end of a really awesome day. We saw a lot of cool animals that could easily kill people. So long, angry bison. Thank you for not killing all the dumb people.
First, look at these. They're sheds.
Learned more about water bugs than I ever wanted to know from
There it
Emily.
Ah!
And as always, we had a ton of fun.
Smile. Ah! I feel like I'm your paparazzi.
I can't say anything funny because I'm tired.
Rock the boat and don't tip it over. Here we go.
Stay tuned for our final day in Yellowstone and our adventures through Grand Teton.
You think if I just start howling, they'll come?
Yeah, I think so. Like, you're one of us.
I'm your pack.
What
are you doing?
Oh,
Why are you walking up to him? He is a wild animal. Look, these are all the things I learned. Oh, this one's gonna be good. No, I'm losing them. I lost them.
Look at all the pretty colors in this. It's catching the sky.
Oh, dang.
Good job, Bone.
Way to go, Steve Jobs. Proud of you.
Even though you're dead.
I mean, we look official, right? With our buffs on.
I mean, you got trail mix.
Okay, can I just want to throw like a javelin in it? I want it. I want to pet it. I want to hold it. It's like a teddy bear. It's real.
It could eat you.
It's okay.
It would find you delicious.
It's part of life. It's a circle of life.
The circle of life. The native Emily in her natural habitat. This is where the bear lives.